guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to an adventure.
Claire!
Oh! Nice! Taman, Chip!
Mayra! Punta sunod!
Pohon, kung di na mahadlok.
Man?
It was now time for those who had scuba diving gears to go underwater. And for us up there, we made sure that we also had our share of fun. Ready?
One!
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, guys, scuba diving.
Hi!
Kumusta ang underwater?
Halika! Hug now!
Hug now. Yes, pohon.
Underwater is so nice!
Aga,
You can't believe it!
maka-English gid, sir.
From America!
Maninoy.
Sideline!
Newly hired. Wala na gubanta rin.
White!
I'm with Ma'am Badet and Sir Lito of Acno. Ma'am, thank you for the opportunity. But I'm just curious, how much do these scuba diving gears cost? Hi guys, bakwit ka guys. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm with the We are going to Medina, and actually we are with the Acno group, AQNO, and with the Southernmost Adventures. So check them out sa Facebook na sila yung page, Southernmost Adventures o ang Acno, AQNO. If you want to check out the Acno diving site, you make sure that you follow this route and don't forget to turn to the right. This is the Acno diving site, and we would like to thank the Southernmost Adventure crew and the Acno diving for fetching us and bringing us here to this very exciting diving site. Thank you.
Sa wetsuit.
Wetsuit.
Okay. Kaya nga wetsuit, muna yung gamitan na ito sa kanta dito mag-dive. Unang protection is para dito masamad. Kaya sa oras. O importante po na din niya para ang atong dito ng init sa itong lawas hindi mag-use. Sumunod ito regulator na ito. Muna ginagamit sa atong mga divers. Kaya ron makaginawa sila ang dagat. Ang atong cylinders contain of normal air. So, di mo ang budugat is 14.5 kilo. Pero kung maabot ka sila ang tubig is like nothing. Ano yun man sa itawag cans. Kaya para mo move ka sila ang tubig. Kaya di rin matapoy mo langoy nga gamit ang kamot. Kaya the more yung nag-move ka sila ang tubig, ang hangin mo mahurot dali.
We are here with no less than Chip. Ay! Kami nag-expect makita naman diri. Pero Chip, nanong ganahan man kaani nga hobby? Hobby naman ni mo Chip, no?
Una, konti siya. Kasi sa sports. Tapos ma-enjoy po gini mo ang underwater scenery. Wala ka naman makita sa sakad. Kaya yun. Tada ang feeling after diving. Kanang contented ka, parang satisfied ka sa kung sa'yo mo makita sa ilalim.
What can you advise to us, mga wakapasuway sa scuba diving?
I-try na ninyo guys before maghanap ko. Kaya nice ko sa teammate ko ba kayo magawanan na.
Sino yung edad? 21?
22.
Eh, mga uyab or single?
Hindi pa rin sa dagat. Kahit pa nito ba, Marino?
Bakwit na guys. Lawam na guys. Lulawam naman. La, libre swimming. Kara-kara. Vlogging is live. Kauna ka. Lawam naman. Laampuan.
Natin proposal sana ma-introduce po ni sa ato. Hindot kid kay siyang experience kung nakaselalo. So di man siya ingon na gasto. Ang importante is yung feeling of satisfaction bang nakasay lalom sa dagat, dili ka nimo na siya makita sa everyday nimong sa daily undertakings nimo. So nindot siya. Akong punta nga ingo tagaingo o come into dive, lahi ra gid ang experience diving. So malingaw dito ko yun ta malingaw dito.
Salamat, Chef.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Claire. Oh, basketball. Assist ba? Nice. Basa-basa ka magod niya. Ayan na. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Here, go. Okay. Ready?
Uy, bising matuwang na talaga. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! While waiting for the divers, we also went swimming and enjoyed the beautiful scene underwater.
Okay, guys, scuba diving. Lingaw.
Kapitan! Nasa kapaingon, Kapitan? Hiyak, Kapitan! Introducing to you guys Max, the very brave dog. Oh!
O sila katong handlock sila maulanan. Manang
pa sila nito nga. Minsan pa. Samot ko ko sa ulan at kinikanta.
3 weeks later.
Saba ka! Ano, sunog ka! Sunog ka rin!
Uy, ba't sa daw? Taman, Chip. Pohon, kung di na mahadlok. Hi guys! I'm with Ma'am Badet and Sir Lito of Acno. Ano ging Acno to? Ang ngalan, ma'am? Ang name sa inyong kaan?
Because of Pino. Pina-short ka.
And based on our after dive chat, we have learned that they have plans of bringing scuba diving in Hingaog City. We're looking forward to that acno diving. So how much do these scuba diving gears cost? The estimate is around 100,000. But do you really have to buy all these before you can try scuba diving? The answer is a big no. You just have to go to Acno Diving so you can try the Discovery Scuba Diving. Yes. Eh, wala pa hindi ka try. Pero parang scary pa siya.
Nakakatakot mo lang ito siguro.
Ma'am, thank you for the opportunity. Thanks. Bye-bye. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Bye!